Welcome to Mathematics 5. Good day, children. How are you? How about your modules? Are you done answering it? Did your parents help you in answering it? Very good, because today we are learning to find the percentage in a given problem. So, get your module in Mathematics 5, sit down, and listen carefully as we start our lesson today. Okay, let's have a review about our past lesson. I have prepared 3 questions for you to answer. Are you ready? Very good. Question number 1. What is base? Question number 2. What is percentage? Question number 3. What is rate? Good luck. Now, we will answer those questions. And let us start with question number 1. What is base? So, base is the whole or total number. I repeat, whole or total number. Understood? Very good. Let's proceed for question number 2. What is percentage? So, percentage is a part of a whole. So, part of a whole. Understood? Good job. Okay, question number 3. What is rate? So, rate is the number with percent symbol. So, circle slash small circle. That is a percent symbol. Understood? Good job. And we will have an example. Okay, we will have an example. 20% of 4,295 is 859. I repeat, 20% of 4,295 is 859. Okay, what will we do? So we are looking for the base, the percentage, and the rate. Okay, let's start. What is the base? So when we say base, it's a part, the whole or the total number. So what is our base? Very good. The 4,295. Next, what is our percentage? So when we say percentage, is a part of a whole. So part of the base. So what would it be? Very good. 859. How about the rate? Very good. No other than 20%. So it is very easy to answer the rate because of the percentage symbol. Understood? Very good. Did you get it? Very good. Here are some tips to easily identify the base and the percentage because it is a common mistake of all or of some students rather. So here is my simple tips. So in finding base is the bigger number. Look, what is our base? 4,295. So in the sentence, 4,295 is the biggest number. Understood? Good job. How about percentage? Percentage is the smaller number. So if you will compare the 859 to 4,295, of course, percentage is the smaller number because its value is 859 only. Understood? So, that is a simple tip from me. So, when we say base, it is a bigger number or the biggest number, while the percentage is the smaller number. Here is a note. It will just happen if the rate is not more than 100%. So look at our rate. Our rate is 20%. So if it is not 100% or not more than 100%, we will follow these tips. But if it is 100% more than, the base will be the smaller number while the percentage is the bigger number. It is on the opposite side. Understood? Very good. Okay, look at on your module and let us answer this. Let us try. Let us read. 60% of 50 is 30. So I repeat, 60% of 50 is 30. Okay, now, we are looking for base. So what is our base? So, look, our rate is not more than 100%. So meaning, we will follow my tips. So what is the biggest number or the biggest number? Very good. 50. Good job. Now, let us answer the percentage. What is the smallest number? Very good. 30. And our rate is very good. The percent symbol. The answer is good job. 60%. So did you understand? Very good. Okay, another one. 27 is 45% of 60. Again, 27 is 45% of 60. Now, we will look for base. Again, what is base? The whole or total number. What else? Very good. The biggest number. So what would it be? Very good. 60. How about percentage? So percentage is very good. The part of a whole or the smallest number. Very good. 27. And what is our rate? Very good. 45%. So, we applied our tip or tips because our rate is not more than 100%. Very good. How to get the percentage? How? How to get the percentage? That is our question to be answered. Now, I will show you the Tihan's triangle. So, if you will try to observe, inside the triangle has three parts. The letter P for percentage, R for rate, and B for base. Upon this triangle, we can now create our formula to solve the value of percentage. So, our formula is P equals B times R, or percentage equals base times rate. This will be our formula to get the percentage or the value of percentage. Understood? Good job! Okay, let's have an example. 27 is 45% of 60. I repeat, 27 is 45% of 60. So we are looking for the percentage. So the value of base, percentage, and rate. So what is our base? Very good, 60. Our percentage is 27. Our rate is 45%. Actually, it is very important to identify first the base and the rate in solving the percentage. So in this sentence, we percentage is already given. So we will try to solve using our formula and check if this number 27 is our percentage. So are you ready? Very good. Let's try. Step 1. Use the formula to get the value of percentage. So now, what is our formula? Very good. P equals B times R, or percentage is equals to base times rate. Step 2. Substitute the given value, the value of base and rate. So what is our base? Very good, 60. How about the rate? Very good, 45%. So P equals B, 60. Very good. Times R, or the rate, is 45%. Good job. Now, step 3. We will convert the rate into decimal form. So the question is, how to convert the rate into decimal form? Step 3. Convert the rate into decimal form, which is the 45%. Step 1. First, you have to remove the percent symbol to make it a whole number. So what will happen? It will make a 45. Second step, moving the decimal point twice going to the left. So in this number 45, we have a imaginary decimal point after the number 5, that, and then we will move the decimal point twice going to the left. 1, 2. Then put the decimal point, and it will happen like this: 0.45 or 0.45. Understood? Very good. So, what is our decimal form? Very good. 0.45%. So, it will happen like this. Percentage is equals to 60 times 0.45. Understood? Very good. Okay, let us have a break. But before that, make use of time to answer the value of percentage. Understood? Good job.
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by Nueda Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix Corvada Tagum Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
Okay, let's solve for the value of percentage. P is equals to 60 times 0.45. First, we will copy first 60 times 0.45, then we will multiply. And let's start with 5 times 0, which is very good 0. 5 times 6 is equals to very good 30. Okay, let's move to another number, which is 4. 4 times 0 is equals to very good 0. 4 times 6 equals to very good 24. Then what will we do? Very good, we will add. Then bring down 0. Then 0 plus 0 is equals 0. 3 plus 4 is equals to very good 7. And then we will bring down 2. If you will look at the number 45, we will have a 2 decimal places. If we will move the decimal point going to the right. So we will count also, or we will move the decimal point from the right going to the left twice, because we have a 2 decimal places. Understood? And it happened like this. 1, 2. So our decimal point will be at the middle of 0 and 7. So our percentage is 27. And this statement is correct. Base is 60, percentage is 27, rate is 45%. Understood? Good job. Okay, let's have another example. What is 30% of 40? I repeat, what is 30% of 40? First, we will look for our base and rate. So it is our first step in finding the value of percentage, which is finding the value of base and rate. Okay, let's find the value of base. Our base is very good, 40. How about our percentage? Blank, very good. Our rate is good job, 30%. Now, we will solve the value of percentage. Step 1. Use the formula to get the value of percentage. So again, what is our formula? Very good. Percentage is equals to base times rate. Step 2. Substitute the given value, which is the value of base and rate. So percentage is equals to, what is our base? Very good, 40. Times, what is our rate? Very good, 30%. Good job. Step 3. Convert the rate into decimal form. So we are done showing you to convert the rate into decimal form. Okay, let's convert the rate into decimal form, which is the 30%. Step 1. First, you have to remove the percent symbol to make it a whole number. So what number? Good job, 30. Second, moving the decimal point twice going to the left. So we have a decimal point after the 0. Then we will move that decimal point going to the right. So 1, 2. Then put the decimal point. And it will happen like that. 0.30 or 30. 0.30 rather. Understood? Good job. Okay, what is our decimal form of our rate? Good job. 0.30. So it will happen like that. Percentage is equals to 40 times 0.30. Very good. Now, let us solve the value of percentage. So, percentage is equals to 40 times 0.30. First, we will write first 40 times 0.30. Then we will multiply. So, in this scenario, we will bring down the 2 zeros. Good job. And then we will multiply the 3 to 4. So 3 times 4 is equals to, very good, 12. Then, of course, if you will look at the 0.30, we have a 2 decimal places. So we will move 2 decimal places going to the right to the left to our answer. Good job. So it will happen like this. And our decimal point will be put at the middle of 0 and 2. So our percentage is 12. So our answer is 12. Understood? Very good. Okay, answer this on your module. Try this. Okay. We have a problem which is, what is the 16% of 60? I repeat, what is the 16% of 60? Now, I will give you a given for you to answer, which is our base is 60, and our percentage is blank, and our rate is 16%. All you have to do is to get the value of the percentage. Understood? Very good. Okay, let's check your work. I repeat, what is 16% of 60? Step 1, use the formula to get the value of percentage. So percentage is equals to base times rate. Step 2, substitute the given value, the value of base and rate. So percentage is equals to, what is our base? Good job, 60. Times, how about our rate? Very good, 16%. Step 3, convert the rate into decimal form. So we will convert the rate into decimal form. Okay, we will convert the decimal form, which is 16%. Step 1. First, you have to remove the percent symbol to make it a whole number. So what would it be? Good job, 16. Step 2. Moving the decimal point twice going to the left. So we have a imaginary decimal point here. Then we will move the decimal point going to the left twice. 1, 2. Then put the decimal point, which is happen like this. 0.16 or 0.16. Understand? Understood? Good job. So our decimal form is 0.16, and it happened like this. Percentage is equals to 60 times 0.16. Very good. Okay, we will solve the value of percentage. So percentage is equals to 60 times 0.16. First, we will copy 60 times 0.16. Then we will multiply. First, 6 times 0 is equals to 0. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. The next number, 1 times 0 equals to 0. 1 times 6 is equals to, very good, 6. And then we will add. Then bring down 0. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Then we have 2 decimal places. So we will move decimal places going to the right 2. From the right going to the left to our answer. So it will happen like that. So our decimal point will be put at the middle of 9 and 6. So our percentage is 9.6 or 9.60. Understood? Good job. Okay, let's have an activity. But before that, we will read first our direction. Solve and check the following statement. Write true if the statement is correct. If false, write the correct answer. Write your correct answer on your notebook or paper. Okay, number 1. 25% of 80 is 20. Number 2. 35 is 40% of 125. Number 3. 65% of 240 is 165. Number 4. 231 is 70% of 330. Go and answer. Good luck. Okay, let us have a break first and be right back after the advertisements. But before that, please answer our activity. And afterwards, we will check your work. Good luck.
The 𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗲𝗿 program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by 𝗧𝗲𝗃 Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix Corvada Tagum Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
Okay, we will check your work. Let's start with number 1. 25% of 80 is 20. True or false? Very good. True. Number 2. 35 is 40% of 125. True or false? Very good. False. So our correct answer is good job. 50. Number 3. 65% of 240 is 165. True or false? Good job. False. Now what is our correct answer? Very good. 156. Number 4. 231 is 70% of 330. True or false? Very good. True. Count your scores and write your scores on the top of your notebook or paper. Generalization. Percentage is a part of a whole. Then P is equals to B times R, or percentage is equals to base times rate, is our formula to get the value of percentage. Understood? Good job. Okay, let us have an evaluation. But before that, we will read first our direction. Find the percentage of the following problem. Write your correct answers on your notebook or paper. Number 1. What is the 30% of 120? Number 2. N is the 75% of 40. Number 3. What is the 13% of 290? Go and answer. Good luck. Okay, let us check your work. Number 1, what is 30% of 120? So, our base is 120 and our rate is 30%. Then, we will write the formula. Percentage is equals to base times rate. Then, we will put the value of base and rate. Percentage is equals to 120 times 30%. Then, convert the the percentage into decimal point, which is 0.30, then we will solve. So 120 times 0.30 is equals to, we will bring down 2 zeros, then 3 times 2 is equals to 6, and 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Then of course, we have a 2 decimal places. So we will move the decimal point from the right to left 2 decimal places. So it will happen like that, and our decimal point will be put at the middle of 6 and 0. So that is our decimal point. So the value of percentage is equals to 36. Good job. Okay, let's check the question number 2. N is the 75% of 40. So we are looking for the value of N, which is our percentage. So the base is 40 and the rate is 75%. Step 1, so our formula is percentage is equals to base times rate. Step 2, we will put the value of base and rate, which is the 40 and 75%. Then step 3, we will convert the percentage into decimal form, which is 75% going to 0.75. Then we will multiply, so we can get the value of percentage. So 40 times 0.75. 5 times 0 is equals to 0. 5 times 4 is equals to 20. 7 times 0 is equals to 0. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. Then we will add. Bring down 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 8 is equals to 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. The same, we have 2 decimal places. So we will move the decimal point from the right going to the left. 2 decimal or 2 moves, because we have 2 decimal places. So it will happen like this. 1, 2. So our answer is, our decimal point rather will be put at the 0, at the middle of 2 zeros. And our answer is, or the value of percentage is 30. Understood? Okay, let's check question number 3. What is the 13% of 290? Okay, our base is 290. Our rate is 13%. Our formula is percentage is equals to base times rate rather. Then we will put the value of base, which is 290, and our rate is 13%. Then we will convert 13% into 0.13. Then we will multiply. So 290 times 0.13, we will start from 3 times 0 is equals to 0. 3 times 9 is equals to 27. Bring down 7, carry 2. Then 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Plus 2 is equals to 8. Then we will move from another number. 1 times 0 is equals to 0. 1 times 9 is equals to 9. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Then we will add. So we will bring down 0. Then 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. 8 plus 9 is equals to 17. Bring down 7, carry 1. Then 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Then we will move the decimal point to the right, from the right going to the left with 2 decimal places. So we will move like this. So our decimal point will be put at the middle of 7 and 7. So our answer, or the value of our percentage, is equals to 37.7 or 37.70. Understood? Good job. Thank you for listening and keep safe. I hope you learned something from me. God bless.
Z-eskwela Executive Committee, the school's Division Superintendent, 𝗧𝗲𝗰𝗵𝗲𝗿, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Romel R. Handayan, OIC Curriculum Implementation Division Chief, Karina S. Frasco, School Governance and Operations Division Chief, Dr. Ruben J. Viponte. Members: Cecilia Morales, Dr. Hilda A. Opeña, Dr. Arlene B. Lim, Dr. Elbicris B. Calzadora, Dr. Dexter A. Siquinia, Nohara O. Pinute, Noemi P. Canales, Dr. Grace D. Pontillas, Virgilito C. Pabrices, Juanito Lapiceros, Engineer Norberto S. Manlangi, Jomar M. Dumupoy, Bob Dalan S. Milabat, Medard T. Ampit, and Paz Eugenia Villusino. Technical Working Committee, Productions and Communications, Lorely E. Quijano, Given G. Hinampas, Judyland D. Yu, Donna D. D. Bolifer, Mary Rose N. Resma, Riven Manuel, Irene Lea C. Manguhon, and Bessie Aya N. Banias. Social Media and Packaging Team, Christian and Hara L. Martesio, William R. Ranara, Joan T. Iscoton, Roberto S. Acusar Jr., May B. Istanyol, Richard H. Arellano, Lee L. S. Blanco, Ralph A. Tabanyag, Angelo Gutierrez Jr., and Jade Karen Arais.